Welcome to the high yield series of science and technology. These topics are very important for the upcoming UPSC CSE. Before starting anything, let me tell you that today's topic is gravitational waves. And before going deeper into the topic, let us see some previous year questions. This is the question that is asking about the experiment will be employ a trio of spacecraft flying in the formation in the shape of an equilateral triangle that has side of 1 million kilometers long. It is asking about the evolved eLISA, and this thing is related to gravitational waves. The next thing, the scientists observed the merger of giant black holes billions of light years ago, 1.3 billion light years ago. This thing is related to the gravitational waves. We detected the gravitational waves on 2015. So this question was about the gravitational wave. Next question is, it is asking about the eLISA. eLISA के बारे में एक क्वेश्चन पहले देख चुके हैं. Another there is a question. It is to detect the gravitational waves. Then let us start today's topic with the help of a video. Gravitational waves, they are like just the ripple. जैसे पानी, suppose this is a pond. Let me show you the animation. This is a, what is gravitational waves? Suppose this is a pond and I throw a stone on a pond. Then the ripples or the waves that was created on the pond, it are just like the gravitational waves that are created on the space-time. Gravitational waves are the ripples created in the space-time. Like in water, you are creating the ripples when you are throwing something in the water, and same thing, gravitational waves are the ripple on the space-time. How these gravitational waves are created? Gravitational waves are created when very large and dense and massive bodies collide with each other. And what are those large, massive and dense bodies? They can be your black hole. When two black hole merges in each other, then the gravitational waves created. Or when the two neutron star merges with each other, then the gravitational waves created. Because black hole warps space-time infinitely. That is why they can create a more powerful gravitational wave. That gravitational wave we can detect on the Earth. These are the two black holes. They are in a binary star system and they are revolving around each other. Now they will merge. When the black hole will merge after the revolution, what will happen? The gravitational waves will be created like this. When the two massive bodies, very massive bodies, are revolving around each other, they are creating the gravitational wave. And at the end, what will happen? At the end, they will merge into each other and very powerful gravitational waves will be created by those merger. So now let us discuss something more about the gravitational wave, that how we will detect the gravitational waves. To detect the gravitational wave, we have LIGO, Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory. We have 4 kilometers in the LIGO. There are two arms, those are of 4 kilometers, and from here we will send the laser. Laser will, here there will be a splitter. A splitter will split this laser in these two directions, and there is a mirror. Mirror will throw back these laser beams. If there is no gravitational wave, then there will be no interference in the laser waves. And as I told you that gravitational waves are ripples in the space-time. And what ripples do? Ripples either stretch the space-time or skews the space-time. They either stretch the space-time or they either skews the space time. When they will stretch or skews the space time, these arms of the LIGO, they will also be stretched and skewed. And whenever there will be any difference in the arms, suppose ये arm stretch हुई, इस arm की stretching हुई, ये arm skews हुई, then there will be a interference of the light. And whenever there will be interference of the light, it means the gravitational waves have been detected. And one such detection happened on 2015 in the LIGO observatory. What happened on 2015? They detected that two black holes merged approximately 1.3 billion light years ago. और वो ग्रेविटेशनल वेव कब चली? वहां से 1.3 बिलियन लाइट ईयर्स एगो वहां से चली, अर्थ में पहुंचने में उसको लगे 1.3 बिलियन लाइट ईयर्स. व्हाट दिस स्टेटमेंट implies? This statement implies that gravitational waves travel with the speed of light. Gravitational waves travel with the speed of light. Then where we have our LIGO? We have LIGO in Hanford and Livingston, Louisiana. In the Hanford, we have two LIGO observatory. In Louisiana, we have one LIGO observatory. And one of the Hanford's LIGO observatory is being transferred to the India. And इस लैब को हम बोलेंगे LIGO India Gravitational Wave Observatory. On 2023, Indian government approved this gravitational wave observatory, and Indian government is giving 2600 crores rupees, and it is proposed that this observatory will be completed on 2030. 2030 में यह ऑब्जर्वेटरी बन के तैयार हो जाएगी. फिर then we have Vigro is in the Italy. Then we have Kagra is in the Japan. And then we have Vigro and Kagra collaboration. After that, LIGO also collaborated with the Vigro and Kagra. Vigro, Kagra, they collaborated. Why they collaborated? Because with the detection of gravitational wave, we got a new lens to see the universe. अभी तक क्या हो रहा था? We were seeing the universe only with the help of electromagnetic waves, only with the help of light or other electromagnetic waves. केवल उन्हीं के थ्रू हम यूनिवर्स को देख पा रहे थे. But with the detection of these gravitational wave, we got a new lens to see the universe, to detect the evolution of the universe. किस तरह से यूनिवर्स इवॉल्व हुआ, अब हमें एक नई तरह से पता चलेगा विद द हेल्प ऑफ gravitational wave. So this LIGO, Vigro, Kagra, they are earth based observatory to detect the gravitational wave. Then we have eLISA. eLISA is a space based gravitational wave observatory. eLISA, or you can say evolved LISA. Or you can say only LISA, or you can say NGO. This word is most important. It is, this NGO implies new gravitational wave observatory. This NGO word is very important क्योंकि एग्जाम में आएगा. मैच द फॉलोइंग NGO लिखा होगा, लेकिन उसके आगे नॉन गवर्नमेंटल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नहीं लिखा होगा, वहां लिखा होगा न्यू ग्रेविटेशनल वेव ऑब्जर्वेटरी. एंड I know that more than 95% people will incorrect this question. They will not able to solve this question. So LISA or eLISA or NGO, this is the space based observatory. Here what they did, they put 3 satellites, or you can say 3 aircrafts. The distance between them will be 2.5 million kilometers from each other, and they will throw lasers to each other. whenever there will be any interference, it means they detected the gravitational wave, and they are doing each and everything in the space, and these spacecraft will be in heliocentric orbit. Initially, NASA and your ESA, European Space Agency, they came together in 2011. NASA and ESA came together in 2011 and proposed that we will put these satellites and we will call this LISA. But after some time, what happened? NASA told that we have a scarcity of the funds and we are backing out. Now only European Space Agency is working on this project, and they are determined to work on this project, and they are planning that they will send this LISA till 2034 to the space, so that they can detect the gravitational wave in a more accurate way from the space. अब यहाँ पे वो पूरा एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल सोर्सेस के थ्रू ग्रेविटेशनल वेव डिटेक्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज इन द अर्थ देयर इज सो मच डिस्टर्बेंस, इन द स्पेस देयर इज लेस डिस्टर्बेंस, so they will be able to accurately detect the gravitational waves. As क्यों ये सब लीगो, कागरा, विग्रो एक साथ कोलैबोरेट कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज there are some things that is beyond nation, it is for all the humanity, that they are trying to detect the gravitational wave so that they can know about the evolution of universe, birth of our universe, how this stellar, how this massive body behaves. So this was about the gravitational wave. In the subsequent lectures we will do some more important topics. Thank you very much for staying with me. Please stay healthy and stay fit.